security men. Every single employee needs to know the right action to take to move the company forward. When I teach customer service for some organizations and I tell them, why don't you put your security men in the class? They say, what do you mean by that? Security men, they attend training. I said, that's where you make the mistake. I have been to companies where security men treated me like trash and I took my money elsewhere. I took my business elsewhere. One security man almost got sacked because he was standing there. I was coming to see the CEO and I drove by myself. I got to a place, I was looking for a place to park within the compound. There was nobody to direct me. So I saw a free space and I parked there. After parking and coming out of my car, the security man now comes. Oga, why you park for that place? Move your car. Come on, move your car. And I'm like, but there was nobody here to direct me. He said, I don't want to know. I beg, move this car. Nobody here. You're supposed to park here in a chairman parking space. I said, how am I supposed to know? That's right. And interestingly, MD heard the man shouting. MD left his seat, came straight, charging towards the man. I said, do you know who this man is? What do you mean by that? The guy almost lost his job. That's why it's so important when you begin to share this kind of strategy, everybody within the organization must be part of it. So that people know exactly what they need to do at any point in time, so they can lead themselves from the heart. And so we're talking about something that will never ever change. The business situation will change. There will be turbulence everywhere, which Stephen Covey calls permanent white water. One thing that will not change is what I call positive mental attitude. And that's why we're talking about attitude today. Now, you know something? Attitude is at the root of everything we do. Everything. You think about it. At the root of your business, whether your business will succeed or fail, is attitude. And every company needs to have what I call the attitude meter. If you enter into an organization, you can measure the level of the attitude. You can measure it. You can tell whether it's negative or positive. Groups have attitude reading. Organizations have attitude readings. Churches have attitude reading. Organizations have attitude. Families have attitude. The entire family will just have one particular type of attitude that everybody displays. If we look at Gold Link, we can tell, for example, the level of your attitude. Would you say it's positive or negative? Positive. All right. Let me talk to some of your customers. I'll give you feedback. I'll give you feedback.